The Mastery Manual Professional Life Guide by Robin Sharma. Master your mind. Master your life. Core idea. Your thoughts, actions, habits, results. Control your mind to control your life. Control your mind. Your mind can help or destroy you. Malayalam. Discipline is power. Daily discipline builds success. Daily. Consistency wins. Repeat good actions daily. Focus matters. What you focus on grows. Time discipline. Respect time to secure your future. Growth mindset. Always learn and improve. Daily plan. Learn 30 minutes. Control phone. Do hard task first. Weekly and monthly plan. Weekly, review plus improve. Monthly, remove bad habit, add good habit. Final message. Control yourself or life will control you.